Welcome to the Higgins Report. I'm Mike Higgins reporting, and here's my report. Here is a quick unboxing of the Tidradio TD-H8. This version is a 10-watt radio. Comes with a, I guess a fairly quick user manual. Glossy, that's fancy. So you got that. Antenna. Looks like VHF, UHF antenna. Belt clip. A cradle charger, which now that a lot of radios have USB-C charging, some of these packages do not come with a cradle charger anymore. So yeah, it's nice having USB-C charging. I like to have a cradle as well, so this came with a cradle. Now, USB-C cable and a wall charger. Carrying strap. Let's check out the radio. Kind of beefy. Nice looking radio. What kind of battery do we get here? Looks like we get a 2500 milliamp hour battery. So I'll go ahead and get this on the charger. It's always a good idea to fully charge the radio before you start tinkering around with it. And we'll do some other videos on the performance and test the power output. That's it for now.